Fathom Analytics Team App. The pros, the cons. If your team wants simple, privacy-focused web analytics, Fathom Analytics might seem like the perfect fit. But is it really the right choice for your business? Let's explore the pros and cons. On the positive side, Fathom Analytics is incredibly easy to use. It offers clean, simple dashboards that focus on essential metrics like traffic conversions and referral sources. One standout feature is its privacy-first approach. Fathom doesn't track personal data, making it fully GDPR and XPA compliant. This makes it ideal for companies that want analytics without worrying about legal headaches. Teams also appreciate fast load times and clear reporting, which allows managers to make decisions quickly. However, there are limitations. Fathom doesn't offer the same depth as platforms like Google Analytics. You won't get detailed segmentation or advanced funnel analysis. Some users also find the reporting features limited if they manage multiple websites or need custom integrations. Pricing is another consideration. While simple, the cost increases as traffic grows, which may impact larger enterprises. Most people get this wrong. They think privacy-focused analytics lack power. The surprising truth is that for many businesses, clear, actionable metrics are more valuable than overwhelming detail. Fathom delivers exactly that. In conclusion, Fathom Analytics Team App is a strong choice for teams that want fast, simple, and privacy-compliant analytics. It helps monitor performance, track growth, and make informed decisions without unnecessary complexity. For businesses prioritizing privacy and clarity, Fathom is an excellent investment, but for deep, multi-layered analytics, other platforms may still be necessary.